Hello everybody. You know that 2019 has been tremendous for Decathlon Sport India in terms of performance. But you also know that since the COVID started to impact us, that the country has suffered a lot. So that is why we have decided to launch last March a big action plan, which is called Life After Rebound Plan, to secure better performance despite the difficult context. These actions have been linked with offer, supply, and globally all business topics so that we can really recover as quickly as possible. So what we have decided to put in place as well is to have a very spicy store entrance to make the customer journey super attractive. So that is why we have put in place the product of the month strategy. The idea is super simple. We try to show one product or two at the store entrance, and this process will be updated every month. So it has been a big success since the beginning. We have started with some hiking jackets. Everybody's remember the yoga mat, which was super powerful. Then we have continued with the tracksuit, and now we are more coming to the winter period with some jumpers and also the swimming iconic towel. So this strategy is super spicy, so we need to put that in place in all our stores and secure better conversion. Another example of the Life After Rebound Plan, which has been super successful, is the multi-buy offer strategy. So we have put many opportunities for the customer to get super interesting bargains when he decides to purchase more quantities, especially on apparel and footwear. Now, I want to particularly insist on the first action plan, according to the Life After Rebound Plan, which is probably one of the most important one. This is the fact that we want to increase the choice at store level. So we have decided to rework the range for this autumn-winter with a better repartition between range 1, range 2 and range 3. And we have also introduced new solutions in terms of CAD plans densities that we are going to detail with you now. Before sharing those solutions with you, I want to spend some time to explain you why it is so important to increase the choice that we provide within the stores. So we will detail 4 main reasons. The first reason is when we look at the Barry survey that we have made last October, we've got 66% of the customers who are really happy with the choice they can find in the store. But if you look at it on the other way around, you can see that basically 1/3 of the customers are not so happy with the choice they can find within the store. So it remains a big challenge for us to find some solutions to please 1/3 of those visitors who are not enthusiastic according to what we put in front of their eyes. The second reason for which we need to work on having a better choice is a recent survey which has been done within our stores, and we've got a very interesting number to share with you, is that 91% of people visiting the store want to leave the store with their products. They want immediate availability. So if you have the product, you will generate some turnover, but if you don't have the product, those 91% will leave the store immediately. The third reason for which we should study to have more choice within our physical stores is the fact that we've got 48% of planned shopper. What does it mean? It means that half of the customers who are joining the store, they have studied the website or the apps, they have started to investigate, so they know exactly what they are looking after. But then once again, if you have the product, you will generate the business for sure, but if you don't have the products, probably they will leave the store super disappointed, and you are not sure that they will visit the website to order online. The last reason for improving the choice in our physical stores is the fact that extension of range is working well for investment bulky products such as kayak or stand-up paddle, but it is not the same for accessories, apparel and footwear, where the performance of extension of range is particularly low. So this is where, once again, immediate availability will be the right solution for the customer. So globally, you can see that these 4 reasons are super important. And I also want to share one last figure with you. We mustn't forget that 70% of our turnover is still relying on the store's performance. So we are super happy with the fact that online sales are boosting. We know that we can reach easily 30% in terms of share, but at the end, 70% of the business still rely on the store performance. Now, if you want to propose a better choice for your customer in store, I think it is super important to better understand the ranges and the densities. So we are going to detail together the definition of each range, and we will also detail all the densities, and I will give you some examples. First point, range 1. Range 1 is the minimum choice that we propose to the customer. So this is really the smallest range. So usually you will select range 1 when you are following a sport which is not so important in your catchment zone. Or you will also sometimes follow the range 1 when you are outside of your seasonal peak. So you want to still cover the usage, but you decide to propose the minimum number of choice. Now, range 2 is a more consistent choice. You will find more offers than in range 1. We will propose more usage and sometimes more colors. And usually you select range 2 when the store is very mature in your catchment area, and for sure if you have enough space in your store. Range 3 is the maximum choice in terms of physical layout that we propose. So in the range 3 we will cover all the usage which are requested in India, and we will also extend the colorama on iconic products like apparel, footwear, and also some accessories. So you will choose the range 3 on the most important sport in terms of strategy within your stores and cities, and you will also select the range 3 for your attacking sports where you want to become the leader and kill the competition. Now we can have a word about range 4. Range 4 is an exclusive online offer that we will provide on the website of Decathlon.in. Having the website is a fantastic opportunity to secure more and more choice, whatever is the constraints of the physical store. But it is super important to highlight the fact that the store can benefit from the exclusive online offer thanks to the click and collect. Your customer can select the exclusive online offer and decide to join the store to pick up their products. So it's really important to propose those offers when discussing with the users. The last category of range is what we call range 5. Range 5 product is a limited edition that will be included in the range for a short period of time. Usually it will be for a commercial campaign, commercial event, and traditionally we try to highlight this kind of offer thanks to a stop rayon within the layout. Now, after talking about all the ranges, we are going to detail the different densities that you will find in terms of cat plans. So we will detail what is the Opti density, then we will have a word about the Mini density, and we will finish with what we call the Flex density. Starting with the Opti density, Opti is globally the average density that we provide in terms of cat plans. It means that the cat plan is worked according to the average sales of India stores. So this is the most common density, and this density is compulsory. It means that the Omni merchandiser team needs to provide one Opti for every single range and family. Now let's talk about the Mini density. The Mini density is much more densified than the Opti. It means that you will request a fewer number of linear meters to display your family. By using D-bars, by removing some communication, we will manage to focus first of all on products and choice. Mini density is not compulsory. You will find it for range 1 and range 2, but it does not make sense to provide a Mini for range 3. So we don't propose the Mini for the range 3, and then the Omni merchandiser decides if it is relevant or not to provide the Mini. So sometimes you will get one, sometimes not, according to the type of family and the product category. but it is super important to study those mini density to provide more choice, especially in our smaller stores. The last type of densities is what we call the flex one. Flex is only provided for Range 3 when it is relevant. Flex is really the extra large density. It means that the omni-merchandiser will double implant the bestseller, will add some communication to better highlight the product. So it's really the super large density. Usually you will choose the Flex on the most strategic families of the country. So you will really invest in terms of space so that you can really make your products more visible and include whatever you want in terms of complementary sales. That's it, guys. So we face a super important challenge in India because the size of the store is getting smaller due to the square meter cost. So at the moment, the average size of the store is around 1,400 square meter, but it will be less sometimes when we will open new stores. And at the same time, we want to increase the choice as we have detailed. So it's really important that you take into consideration all the solutions that we have provided. I will give you a last example, which is the fact that the global Range 1 linear meters for this autumn winter has been reduced by 21%. So it means that at store level, you can really invest a huge amount of space by selecting additional families, sometimes to open a sport which was not followed in your stores, and for sure try to extend your choice for the most strategic family in terms of business. So we wish you good luck. Try to restudy your choice if necessary, because at the end of the day, once again, 70% of the business still rely on the physical store. Good luck to everybody.